friends. I took the loop bus. I'm over here on Clark. I'm at the Clark Center. I tell you what, this is a good restaurant right here. I came here with Chubbs a long time ago. Let's walk around the Clark Center for a few minutes. See what we can see. That loop bus, you can't beat it. It's just a few pesos and you can got like 20 something stops all over Clark. So I just decided to get off here and walk around. The Royce Casino's down that way, so I'll probably go down there after a while. Let's see what kind of stores and shops are in here. Looks like there's about 8 banks in here. Clark just has a little bit different feel. It's more like a, it's not like BGC, but it's just a different feel about it. There's the Royce Casino over there. Let me just walk down this way. Law offices, more restaurants. There's one of these Philippine armored vehicles to pick up the money. You see those things all over the Philippines. Oh, it's Burger King. I knew something smelled good. That was my first job, 15 years old, Burger King. I think I'd make 2 Whoppers and eat 1 Whopper. I think I ate them out of house and home. I think the manager said to me, hey, you got to calm down when you're eating. When you're 15 years old, you can eat like that. Now I even look at a piece of food and I gain 5 pounds. Chow King, Starbucks all over the world. Little security booth. Let's walk down this way and see what we see. There's that Royce Casino. It's a big old casino. across the road. We'll get over there to some shops opposite the Royce Casino. Let's see what kind of shops they are. I don't like to film over there too much because the security really doesn't like it, and I don't want to make their job hard, so I don't give them a hard time. I don't even go over there with my camera. The security guards are only doing what they're told to do, so I don't want to make their day rough on them. Man, that's a big campus, isn't it? It starts way over here, goes way down that way. Last time I was in there, I saw some high rolling Koreans playing table games. I don't know what this is, a parking lot or something. Maybe it's a parking lot for employees. Taxi stand up here. Hey, how you doing?
Waiting passenger, sir.
Yes. There goes the beat bus, the loop bus. Chubbs made a whole video on it. They just started that loop bus back because I went looking for it about 6 months ago and it wasn't running. So when I went home to America, it started running again. Because you can't take a tricycle in the Clark. They don't allow them in the gates. So you have to have a motorcycle, a car, or the loop bus or something, or walk. And it's a long walk from Angeles. I've done it 5 or 6 times, but it takes several hours. It takes me several hours because I move slow. Let's check out this little police box. Check this out. They can just sit up here and have their radio and keep an eye on things. That's the view you get from the police box. There's that big coffee shop. Right there, see that sign? That's where the loop bus is going to stop. Anytime you see that sign, that's number 9 on the loop bus stop. Stop 9. Okay, my friends, I go over to the Royce Casino, goof off for a little while. Thank you for watching.